Welcome to our trading channel, where we're all about keeping it real and helping you make smarter moves in the market. In today's video, we'll be sharing a scalping strategy that you can apply right away to start seeing better results. No fluff, no hype, just straightforward strategies help you become a more confident and successful trader. So let's get started. We'll be using handy TradingView platform to showcase this strategy. Our attention will be on the Bitcoin chart set to a short 5-minute time frame. First, we'll get to know our first indicator, the pre-market breakout levels. After adding it, let's optimize its settings. This indicator is like a personal early warning system, helping you spot possible breakouts as the New York market opens for business. It makes the highest and lowest points from the New York pre-market, so you can clearly see where those important breakout levels might be. By recognizing these levels, we'll be well equipped to seize these fast-paced breakout opportunities as they occur. So let's explore how the pre-market breakout levels can be your secret weapon for making smarter trading choices. With just a handful of trades, we managed to score a 39% profit. Now, let's check out how this strategy works on the gold chart using a 15-minute time frame. Now, before we dive into the second indicator, if you enjoyed this video and finding value in it, please take a moment to support our channel. Hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out, and you'll be the first to know about our latest trading tips and strategies. Thanks a bunch. Alright, let's introduce our second indicator, the NSDT double MA shading. But before we jump in, we need to make a quick pit stop at its settings to fine-tune some parameters. Now let's breaking down how the NSTD double MA shading works. It uses two moving averages to give us a visual representation of the market trends. We'll simplify the market moves into three directions: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. The NSTD double MA shading will help us identify which way the market is heading. When the NSTD double MA shading turns green and the price candles sit above it, we are in an uptrend or a bullish market. This means prices are generally rising. And if the price candles are nestled within the double MA shading, the market is moving sideways or in a neutral state. Prices aren't really going up or down, they're just hanging out in the middle. And when the price candles are below the NSTD double MA shading, we'll got a downtrend or a bearish market. This means prices are mostly going down. Now, let's walk through the process of entering a long trade using our strategy. First, we'll keep an eye out for a bullish breakout from the pre-market levels. This is our signal that the market might be heading upward. And to confirm this, we'll wait for the signal candle to close above the green NSTD double MA shading ribbon. Once these two conditions are met, you can go ahead and enter the long trade with confidence. Next, it's important to protect your trading by setting a stop loss. You can use either the most recent swing low or the lower level of the pre-market as your reference point. This precaution will help limit potential losses if the market doesn't move in the direction you anticipated. And when it's time to exit the trade and secure your profits, we suggest aiming for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now let's learn how to enter a short trade with our strategy. We'll begin by watching for a bearish breakout from the pre-market levels. This could be an indication that the market is heading downward. To confirm this, we'll wait for the signal candle to close below the red NSTD double MA ribbon. Once these two criteria are met, you're all set to enter a short trade with confidence. And to safeguard your trade, you'll need to set a stop loss. You can use either the most recent swing high or the upper level of the pre-market as your guide. And when it comes to close your trade and lock in those profits, we recommend aiming for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. I hope you found this video helpful, but don't miss out on our next recommendation. It's filled with expert tips to elevate your trading game. Watch it now and keep growing your trading skills. See you there.